Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Power BI dashboards to showcase skills on LinkedIn step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Power BI on your computer. Ensure you have created a dashboard that showcases your skills. Click on the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. Select Publish to the web from the drop-down options. This allows you to create a link or an embed code for your dashboard. A window will appear with options for publishing. Review the information regarding your data privacy. If you agree, click on the Create Embed Code button. After a brief moment, you will see a new link generated. Copy the link provided in this pop-up window. Next, open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn. Log in to your LinkedIn account if you are not already signed in. Go to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture or name. Scroll down to the featured section on your profile. Click on the plus icon to add new content. Choose the links option from the available types of content. Paste the Power BI dashboard link that you copied earlier. Click on that Add button to confirm the link. LinkedIn will automatically generate a preview of your dashboard. You can edit the title and description to highlight your skills. Make sure the information you provide is relevant and compelling. After making any necessary adjustments, click Save. Review your profile to ensure the Power BI dashboard. This showcases your skills and insights effectively to your network. Now your Power BI dashboard is featured on your LinkedIn profile. Engage with your network by sharing this new addition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.